Okay, everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino, and it's going to be just a lovely day. Look, what is the date? It's Friday, July 24th, 2020. Again, I just want to know why, really, there are no adults left in the room here. The back and forth rhetoric between China and the United States has actually gotten frankly stupid. Do we not learn anything from the past? Are we always doomed to repeat it? Uh, it's part of the nonsense of I don't know everything that we're seeing right now, and because of this increasing rhetoric, these deteriorating relations between the world's two largest economies. We are clearly in a Cold War. It's getting worse. I would not be surprised if they're not setting up a hot war. That's what they always do. That's what they always do. It's the way they manage to bring a dead economy back to life by sacrificing millions of people. In the literal sense, killing them, splattering their guts all over the world. So don't be surprised if that's what they're setting up here. Another war or proxy wars or another mechanism here to slaughter as many people as they possibly can. It's all a game, and it repeats itself over and over and over again, and the people get completely blindsided. They don't see it coming. Anyway, that's what they're doing here, in my opinion. So, because of the increasing, threats between China and the United States, stock futures are lower across the board. Nothing major, but lower nonetheless. And like I explained yesterday, I think it was, I feel that we are in for some turbulent times in this market. So just be ready for it. Next month could prove to be very, very volatile. Do you believe that U.S.-China relations are all of a sudden going to miraculously turn around? Another beautiful letter, or maybe a couple of volumes of beautiful letters, or maybe we'll turn this around? Um, it looks to me, seriously, that these things are going to get worse moving forward. And it's going to reflect not just in the market, it's going to affect the psyche of people. And in this current environment we are in, and unless you live under a rock, it's not very pleasant here. All they're doing is trying to spread fear, and maybe that's part of it too. Be afraid of a new war, be afraid of a new Cold War. Um, I don't know. They keep throwing things at us to create more anxiety, and people are. I mean, they're exploding. I told you recently. I witnessed a fist fight over one guy getting shamed for not wearing a face mask. Um, it's amazing what's happening here in the United States. We are seeing a lot of parallels to regimes in the past that have turned hideous. I mean, here in the United States right now, if you choose not to comply with whatever they're throwing at us, you get shamed. If you choose to have an idea, they want to take away your voice. You're not allowed to share anything without being attacked. It's freedom of speech. It's gone here in the United States. If you say what's on your mind, well, guess what? That's another reason for people to pile on here in this new world order. That's what we have. It's quickly evolving into something very, very ugly. And before you know it, we're there. This is not the United States of America anymore. This has been transitioning into the United States of corporate America for a very, very long time. And that's what we have here, the merger of corporations and this new American government. That's the definition of fascism. That is what's occurring here in the United States. They are doing everything they can right now to create that two-tier society that I have been warning about for an entire decade. That's what we have. It's in full swing here. Anyway, so you shouldn't be surprised at what you're seeing. All of this was foretold to you by me a decade ago, and we are here now. Very, very troubling to me, honestly. But again, that's just the way it is. And some people are going to embrace this, and that's what they are looking for. Government handouts, bailouts, communism, socialism, fascism, controlled by some kind of twisted oligarchy. That's what they want. They don't want to actually be free. They want to maybe think that. But what they want is to be controlled. It's a very interesting paradigm. All right, look, with that said, like I said, stocks are poised for a lower open right now. Keep your eye on that 10-year yield. You know that. It's 0.58 right now. That's going to dictate to us what's really going to happen. As for stocks, we should expect this pullback we got yesterday and today. Maybe it'll play out. This is really a normal market in many ways. So anyway, let's just see how that works out. And that's it. I'll see you at the end of the day. This guy loves you a lot. Please share the video.